YouTestMe has integrated with Zapier, so you can now automate data exchange between GetCertified and more than 1,000 applications. Zaps represent workflows that connect your apps to eliminate repetitive administrative tasks, facilitate data collection and analysis. In this video, learn how to set up the automated assignment of the users from Google Sheet to YouTestMe GetCertified training courses. This way, you may assign hundreds of thousands of users to one or more training courses without any effort. It is common to keep user records in spreadsheets such as Google Sheet. To be seamlessly integrated with GetCertified, the sheet must contain the following columns: training course ID, username, and an email. To create a Zap, navigate to Zapier and click on the Make a Zap button. For the app event, choose Google Sheets. And for the trigger event, select New Spreadsheet row. This event represents a trigger. Therefore, a user will be added to the training course whenever a new row is added. Choose the Google Sheets account and set up the trigger by selecting the spreadsheet and worksheet. Now you should define the action, which represents an event a Zap performs after it starts running. Connect your YouTestMe account by entering your username, password, and API URL in the pop-up window. Choose your account and set up the action by linking the spreadsheet columns with GetCertified inputs. Select the role and status of users that will be assigned to the training courses. Probably those are students, and their status should be active as you want them to take a course. Optionally, you may test a created Zap. Now, you may start filling the spreadsheet, or you can share a Google Sheet link and let course takers do that on their own. All you need to do is enter a training course ID, which can be found in the Training Course Information tab. Then add course takers' usernames and emails. As you can see, all added users are automatically assigned to the corresponding training course. Do not worry if the added user does not have an account in YouTestMe GetCertified. A system will automatically create it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.